Welcome to Donmar TV News Channel.
Okay, kahapon ay Father's Day and itong tatlong anak ni Bongbong Marcos ay nagbigay ng mensahe sa kanilang tatay at tinanong sila kung ano yung mga advices ng kanilang tatay na hindi nila makalimutan. Okay? So yan ang topic natin ngayon, itong vlog natin. Pero bago natin itatalakayan, help me like this video. Mag-like muna. Okay? 1, 2, 3. Okay? Like para kakalat ito sa taong bayan. Itong good news natin kay Bongbong Marcos. Okay? At marami ditong hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel. Subscribe to my channel, Donmar TV, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated sa mga videos ni Bongbong Marcos. Okay? Subscribe na guys. 1, 2, 3, go! Okay. Punta tayo dito sa Father's Day special ng vlog ni Bongbong Marcos na itong tatlong anak niya ay i-share ang kanilang yung advices ng kanilang tatay, kung ano yung mga advice ng kanilang tatay. Okay? So i-play natin ang video na ito at after that mag-react, mag-comment kayo kung ano ang masasabi nyo tungkol sa tatlong anak ni BBM. Okay? So i-play natin itong video at mag-comment, react kayo kung anong masasabi nyo sa mga anak ni BBM. Okay, let's play the video.
The best advice I think I've gotten from my father is I always say, kapag sinasabi niya sa akin, bawal pikon. Kasi kapag pikon ka, talo ka. And I think we've all taken that to heart. He has especially, and it's allowed us to focus on what's important and on what you need to prioritize with regards to what's to come. So I thank him for that advice, and it's something I will remember for the rest of my life. So thanks for that, Pop.
I'd have to say the best advice that he ever gave me would be to always remain objective, to never make a decision when you're too angry or when you're too happy or when you're too sad. You always have to be objective and like not cold, but decisive in the way you move around things. So thank you for that advice, Dad.
My favorite thing you've always said to me was never hate anyone. Even if they've crossed you, talked bad about you, criticized, never hate. Just keep moving forward by doing the best you can. You've always led by example and are always such a great person to be around. You're always so nice to everyone around you and always humble even if you're smart.
The best thing I can strive to emulate is, of course, my father's optimism. His undying optimism. I think that's an important trait to have in government, especially when at times the bureaucracy can seem a little frustrating and a little slow, and one can tend to lose hope in the process. And my dad has never done that. He has always looked at the brighter side of life. He has always looked for the good in people, and I think that is definitely an important facet of being a public servant, and I hope to emulate that in my own brand of public service.
Hi Pops, as it's Father's Day, just wishing you the best of luck, and although you've been an amazing Pops to us, I hope and I'm pretty sure that you'll be an amazing Pops to the country. We'll be with you every step of the way, and we'll be supporting you every step of the way. We'll always be here for you. Good luck. Love you, Dad.
Hey Pops, happy Father's Day. Thank you. Even throughout the craziness of everything, you always manage to make time and spend time with us. I'll always be grateful for having such a great father, and I know the Filipino people are lucky to have you as their new president. I'm so excited to see your plans and all the help you've wanted to give finally come into action for the good of the country and its people.
Hi, Dad. I just want to wish you a happy Father's Day to our beloved and incoming president, but most importantly, my beloved father. I want to wish you the best of luck in what's to come. I know you've prepared all your life, and you've spent a significant amount of time making sure that you are ready for the problems our country faces. But nonetheless, I would like you to know that me, Simon, Vinny, Mom, your friends and your family are here behind you and are here to support you in whatever you may need. And I know that your head is in the right place. and that you will make a fantastic president of our country. So happy Father's Day, and we love you very much.
Happy Father's Day. Happy Father's Day. Okay, so yan, tapos na yung video ha. Sa mga lahat ng mga tatay na nanonood dito sa video natin, Happy Father's Day. Okay, ang masasabi ko lang ay ang mga anak ni BBM raised his sons very well. Sabi ko, respectful, mga gwapo pa, at talagang masasabi kong may values talaga ang kanyang mga anak, no? So, kahapon, Father's Day kahapon, yan ang mga mensahe ng tatlong anak niya. Ang mga best advice sa kanilang tatay, kay Sandro, bawal ang pikon kasi yung pikon talo, no? If hindi ka pikon, it will allow you to focus and prioritize sa kung ano yung mga important things, no? Maka-focus ka. Something that Sandro will remember for the rest of his life, at kanyang nagpapasalamat siya dito kay sa kanyang tatay, no? At si Joseph Simon naman Joseph Simon Araneta Marcos, sabi niya, ang sabi niyang tatay niya is always remain objective. So being objective is hindi ka biased, unbiased, unemotional, but focused on the goal, kung ano yung mga plano nyo. Okay? Sabi niya, never make decisions. Take note of this. Never make decisions when you're angry, happy, or too sad. No? This will apply to all of us. Pwede rin i-apply sa ating buhay yan, no? Kasi if you will decide on something na based on your feelings, hindi yan magiging accurate. You should be decisive sa mga decision nyo. So ano ba yung decisive? Yung talagang kung ano yung tama, dun ka. Okay? You will not decide based on your feelings. So, si William Vincent naman, itong chubby na anak ni Bongbong Marcos, ay yung favorite advice niya is never hate someone or never hate anyone. No? Even if you crossed, talk bad about you, ang mga tao, criticize you, siniraan ka, niyurakan ka, sabi ng kanyang tatay na si BBM, never hate anyone. Okay? Just keep moving forward. No? In order for you na hindi nyo i-hate ang mga kalaban nyo, just move forward and do the best that you can. Yan ang sabi ni BBM, kanyang tatay, no? Yung ang dad daw nila ay always led by a great example, no? He is a great person to be around. Sabi yan ni William, no? Itong chubby na anak, na the time na merong oras itong si BBM sa kanila ay talagang masaya. Laging naglalaro kung ano-ano, no? Yung para talagang tatay at mga anak yung turing sa kanila, no? At si tatay raw nila ay always humble from the people around, no? Mismo tayong mga netizens, masasabi natin na yan naman ang mga ginagawa ni BBM during campaign. Sa lahat ng kanyang kasamahan, he is always humble. The time when mag-speech siya, panahon ng kampanya, kahit siniraan siya ni Leni Robredo, yung mga kakamping, he is always humble. Hindi siya nagtanim ng galit sa kanyang mga kalaban, no? At sabi rin ni Sandro Marcos na yung pagiging undying optimistic ni BBM ang gusto niyang i-emulate sa kanyang sarili sa panahon na siya na rin ang magiging leader sa pagpasok niya sa politiko, no? Yan ang important trait na gagawin niya sa brand ng pagiging politician niya in the future. Yan sabi ni Sandro yan. So being optimistic, never lose hope kahit anong mangyari. Yan ang advice ng BBM sa mga kanyang anak. Be optimistic, no? Kahit anong sitwasyon, hopeless na ang sitwasyon, be optimistic na magagawan pa rin yan ng solusyon ang mga problema. So, Bongbong Marcos will be optimistic sa ating country kahit maraming problema tayo sa ating bansa, ay optimistic itong si BBM na mas-solve ang lahat ng problema sa Pilipinas. So, ang mga hope and wishes ng tatlo niyang anak ay sabi nila is, we will be with you no matter what, no? Ikaw na yung presidente ng Pilipinas, we are always here for you, no? You'll be an amazing president. Yan ang sabi ng tatlong anak. Nagpapasalamat kahit busy raw itong tatay nila, na meron talagang oras sa kanila kahit gaanong busy. Okay. And they are always, sabi nila, na grateful sila to have a dad like BBM. And sabi nila, ang mga Pilipinos raw ay grateful din sa kanilang tatay to have you as our new elected president. Okay. So, itong si William, sabi pa nga niya na excited siya sa plano ng kanyang tatay sa kung ano ang gagawin sa Pilipinas. Oh, that's a good one. Aabangan natin yan. So, sabi nila, best of luck. We know you prepared all your life na magiging presidente ka. So, abangan natin na sabi nilang tatlo na our dad prepared this na all his life na maging presidente. So, aabangan natin yung mga preparasyon ni BBM sa ating bansa. So, yung tatlong anak ni BBM at ang kanyang wife, sabi nila, we are here to support you whatever happens. Okay. So, sabi nila, Happy Father's Day. We love you. Okay. So, guys, napakasarap yung mensahe ng kanilang mga anak. Tayo rin ay makakuha tayo ng moral values sa kanilang mga mensahe at sa mga advices ni BBM. Okay, so continue pa rin tayong vlog pagtanggol natin itong si BBM at si Inday Sara. Happy Father's Day sa mga lahat ng tatay dyan. Okay, don't forget, i-like nyo itong video na ito para kakalat sa taong bayan. Okay? And subscribe to my channel, Don Mar TV, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated ni BBM at si Inday Sara. So hanggang dito na lang itong video na ito. God bless everyone and hope to see you in my next video.